Hello everyone. Hope you all are well and good in this situation of COVID and pandemic. We will be discussing. Today we will be discussing with the second book of plus one 11th NCRT, and the first chapter is mentioned in the NCRT. The NCRT named as India Physical Environment. So the first chapter discusses about location of India. The NCRT mentions that we have Kashmir in the north and Kanyakumari in the south. Gujarat in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in the east. So it mentions the regions. It talks about the extent of India's mainland. After telling about the India's mainland, it tells that in Bay of Bengal at 6 degree 45 minutes north, this is the latitude, we have the southernmost point of India, which is not the part of mainland India. See, this is the mainland India. We also have two group of islands. The one is Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman and Nicobar in Bay of Bengal. So this latitude tells us about the Indira Point in the Great Nicobar Island. After telling the extent, the southernmost extent of India, that is the Indira Point, it talks about the extent in kilometers. So it says that this is for around 3214 kilometers. This is now north to south extent, and this extent is 2933 kilometers. Further, it asks an interesting question. It says that if we observe the latitudinal extent and the longitudinal extent of India, there is almost a difference of 30 degrees. Almost a difference of 30 degrees. But still, this difference in kilometers, this difference of 3214 kilometer and this difference of 2933 kilometer, there's a huge difference of around, you can say, 200 to 300 kilometers. Why? Further, it answers that as we observe the earth, this is equator, a latitudinal line. This is a longitudinal line. And if we observe the earth, our India is over here somewhere. So as we will move towards poles, listen to me carefully. As we will move towards poles, the distance between two latitudinal lines will keep on decreasing. I'm repeating it. The difference between two latitudinal lines will keep on decreasing, but the difference between two the difference between two longitudinal lines will keep on decreasing, and the difference between two latitudinal lines will remain same. So as we know, the earth, our India is somewhere north to the equator. So the distance decreases, and due to the decrease in distance, this part, east to west extent, is less, despite the fact that the latitudinal extent is of 30 degree and the longitudinal extent is also of 30 degree. The reason is, again I am telling you, the difference keeps on decreasing as we will move. The difference between two longitudinal lines will keep on decreasing as we will move to poles. It further mentions that the northern part of India, falls in subtropical region. So what is subtropical region? You will find another video of mine where I will be discussing geography from competitive point of view. Over there I have explained that what is the difference between subtropical and the southern part, that is tropical. As this video or this chapter, actually this video has been made keeping in view only the NCERT, so we will not be discussing over here. You can watch my another video, I explained it in detail. So this region falls in subtropical and in tropical. Now, further it tells that a longitude which is named as Indian Standard Time, which tells us our Indian Standard Time, that also passes through it. Now what is Indian Standard Time? It further raises the question. I am again telling you, you will get all these answers in my another video of Introduction to Geography, which is made specifically for competitive exams, and the heading you can check over there is the physical geography. So I hope in the first or in the second video you will get answers of these questions. Indian Standard Time, it talks about the Indian Standard Time, and it tells that even the difference between over here in Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, the difference is of 2 hours. Still the watch shows the same time here and here. Why? The reason I am telling, the reason is same. You will get the answer in that video. The next, it tells that we have area of 3.28 square kilometer. Kilometer square or square kilometer? 3.28 million kilometer square. And this 3.28 million square kilometer comprises of 2.4% of the area of the world. 3.28 million square kilometer comprises of 2.4% of the total area, total landmass of the earth. Further, it talks about the size of India, and it tells that starting from the rivers, it tells that we have Himalayas in the north, we have Himalayas over here, we have Himalayas in this region, the greater Himalayas. We have Hindu Kush, Suleiman Range, and Purvanchal over here in this region. Also, it tells we have rivers like Ganga, like Brahmaputra, like Mahanadi, like Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. So it tells the physiographic. Though all these rivers will be discussed further in the coming chapters, it gives just you a gist that what are the physiographic divisions of India. It also tells this Thar desert as Marusthali. Marusthali. Thar desert as, it also tells Thar desert as Marusthali. Also, it mentions that these Hindu Kush, Suleiman, Himalayas, Purvanchal acts as a barrier between this so-called Indian subcontinent and Asia. But we are still connected due to some specific passes like Khyber Pass, Bolan Pass, Shipkila, Nathula. La means pass only. Nathula, Shipkila, Bomdila. So these passes actually exposes us to Asia, the rest part of Asia, and it falls in the southern Asia, central southern Asia. The India, as we see, this is Asia over here, and we are somewhere here on the earth. Further, it discusses that the coastline of India, is of around 7517 kilometers. This is 7517 kilometers can be divided into two parts. 6100 kilometer, which is this coastline, the coastline of mainland. The rest coastline is of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Further, it talks about the neighbors we have. Say here we have China. It tells that here we have China, here we have Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, a part of Afghanistan, over here in the south, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is divided from India by Gulf of Mannar and Pak Strait. Further ask questions that what is the difference between a Gulf and a strait? Again, the answer you will get in my videos where I will be discussing the physical geography from competitive exams perspective of competitive exams. So in the southern part we have Sri Lanka, and in the southern part of Lakshadweep we have Maldives also. So these are some of the neighbors which is mentioned in NCERT. So this is all which talks about the location. Thank you.